Hey YouTube, so today we're going to show you about a common problem on these Jeeps, Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is 2005, 6, it goes on up, but anyway, if you have this body style Jeep Grand Cherokee, I'm going to show you a very common problem with these. But first we're going to lift it up so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright. Well, yeah.
Yeah, she's coming down like a summer. She's coming out the top of the pump.
Yep.
Oh, so the pump is cracked.
Yep.
Okay. I see it from here. I see it out there. Got that shit shooting up like a mother. I see it from here, from your what's it called? I see it clear as day. Tank down here full.
Here's the old pump, and basically what happened here, you know, you could see when we were under the car filming that the leak was coming from in here. And what happens is the pump, see that right there, it cracks. You get little fine cracks. I tried to bring it over in the sun so we can get some light on it. See those little cracks, those little lines there? See that? Those lines, those are cracks. And any of those cracks is where the fuel could have been coming from. If I get a closer look, we can really probably see it. I don't know if my phone can zoom in there. But anyway, that's what happens. Yeah, you can see them good now. Alright, so anyway, that's what happens. And I think there might be one on the top too. But what happens is over time, this plastic becomes weak and brittle and cracks, and it causes the fuel to squirt out. So you'll think you might have a bad line or a bad busted tank or something like that. And it'll just be the fuel pump. It has nothing to really do with the vehicle. I mean, it's its own unit, but you know, if it has a leak in it, it is going to leak. So replace that, and then you should be good to go. All right, if you have any tips or questions or comments, please post, chat, and subscribe.